Welcome to the Sleep Engineering channel. I'm so glad you found your way here. Let me help you fall asleep. If you genuinely like our videos, please hit like and subscribe. Now take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Find your comfort as we drift through the human achievements and massive engineering of the Confederation Bridge design and the curved alignment built to prevent sea ice from blocking the strait. Let us begin. In the 19th century, a vision emerged to connect Prince Edward Island with mainland Canada through an elegant structure known as the Confederation Bridge. This ambitious design sought to link the two landmasses, providing a direct route that would enhance accessibility and travel for all. Crafted with careful consideration, the bridge was envisioned to serve as a vital artery, allowing vehicles and pedestrians to traverse the waters with ease. As the plans materialized, the engineering aspects were meticulously addressed, ensuring its stability and strength across the expansive strait. This innovative concept paved the way for the eventual realization of a remarkable feat, showcasing the determination and ingenuity of the period's thinkers. The idea of creating a seamless passage reflected not only practicality, but also a profound desire for cooperation between diverse landscapes. Resulting from this historical dream, the Confederation Bridge now gracefully spans the waters, welcoming travelers and inviting exploration from both sides. The late 1980s marked the beginning of thorough preparations for the bridge. During this time, teams of dedicated planners focused intently on the complexities involved in designing such a significant structure. Ideas flowed as experts considered the best ways to connect the land while taking into account environmental challenges. The planning sessions were filled with discussions on how to navigate the delicate balance needed for construction, especially in light of the potential for sea ice. Imagining the bridge's curved alignment helped to mitigate the risk of ice blocking the strait, ensuring safety and functionality. The atmosphere was charged with creativity and vision, as every detail was carefully contemplated to serve future generations. As these discussions unfolded, this period became a pivotal moment in the bridge's future. The dedication of those involved began to lay the groundwork for what would become an engineering marvel. A significant moment in the history of bridge construction took shape through the bridge's design, which emerged from an international competition held in 1988. This competition invited the brightest minds from across the globe to present their creative visions, leading to an array of innovative concepts that showcased diverse approaches to engineering and aesthetics. Each entry reflected the unique cultural influences and technical expertise of its creator, bringing forth ideas from various countries and backgrounds. As architects and engineers submitted their proposals, the anticipation grew, igniting a spirit of collaboration and excitement throughout the design process. The winning design emerged not only as a practical solution for transportation, but also as a remarkable work of art, captivating both locals and visitors alike. This competition set a new standard for what a bridge could represent, blending functionality with beauty in a way previously unseen. This bridge is a powerful result of that creative effort. A gentle curve flows throughout the design of the bridge, embracing its purpose with elegance and precision. This curved alignment was specifically crafted to address the dynamic movement of sea ice within the Northumberland Strait. As winter approaches, the sea ice shifts and drifts, creating a natural challenge that this design thoughtfully navigates. Each curve reflects careful planning, allowing for the smooth passage of water while minimizing potential hazards posed by ice. The bridge stands resilient against the harsh elements, cradling its surroundings with steadfast support. It adapts to nature's rhythm, ensuring a balance between human creativity and environmental forces. While the ice glides across the strait, the bridge remains a secure path for those who traverse it, embodying both functionality and foresight. Such a thoughtful design instills peace of mind amid the seasonal transformations of the Northumberland Strait, allowing travelers to cross with confidence. A continuous span gracefully extends over the water, thoughtfully designed with precast concrete box girder segments to provide strength and stability. This design approach ensures that each segment fits cohesively into the next, creating an unbroken pathway across the strait. The smooth lines of the bridge reflect careful engineering, allowing it to withstand the pressure of the elements. Each concrete box girder segment contributes to the structure's durability, making it resilient against the forces of nature, including the shifting tides and weather patterns. The precision of this design is particularly significant in preventing sea ice from blocking the strait, allowing for unimpeded travel across the bridge. As one gazes upon this magnificent structure, the craftsmanship behind the continuous span invites reflection on the balance between human ingenuity and the beauty of the natural world. This bridge stands as a remarkable feat of engineering, connecting land and sea with purpose. A dedicated collaboration of consulting firms sculpted the design of the structure, ensuring a thorough approach to every detail. Stantec lent invaluable insight, steering the project with its extensive expertise in engineering and environmental considerations, which shaped essential facets of the design. The consulting firm brought awareness to sustainability, ensuring the design effectively addressed environmental impacts. Equally pivotal was the involvement of Arup Group, which played a crucial role in enhancing the project's innovative aspects and architectural integrity. Their team contributed advanced methodologies that aligned with modern design principles, allowing for both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Together, these firms created a synergistic partnership that harmonized engineering precision with creative vision, elevating the. Built with resilience in mind, the bridge stands strong against extreme weather conditions, showcasing its ability to withstand wind speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. As the wind howls and gusts roar, this thoughtful design ensures safety and stability, allowing only the strongest elements to traverse its structure. Each curve has been meticulously crafted to keep even the fiercest elements at bay, embodying a commitment to engineering that prioritizes both durability and functionality. In the face of nature's fury, the bridge offers a secure passage, inviting travelers to experience its steadfast presence. When storms rage and the sea churns, this design not only perseveres but also stands as a calming assurance against unpredictability. The reliable construction serves as both a practical solution and a symbol of human ingenuity against the forces of nature. Such careful considerations allow this magnificent bridge to remain unfazed and unyielding. A cable-stayed design was chosen by engineers to support the lengthy span of the bridge. This choice allows for graceful lines that rise elegantly, showcasing strength paired with beauty. The cables form a network, holding the bridge with precision while offering stability across the expansive distance. In this design, the balance between load and support is expertly executed, ensuring that every component functions seamlessly to sustain the structure. The expansive reach highlights both engineering skill and an appreciation for the environment surrounding it. Each cable stretches tautly, inviting the gentle winds of the sea and allowing for the bridge to gracefully respond to the elements. With this thoughtful design, the bridge stands prepared to withstand the challenges posed by nature, including the movement of sea ice. The selected structure reflects a careful consideration of both function and aesthetics, resulting in a remarkable achievement of engineering that captivates all who encounter it. A gentle curve defines the alignment of the bridge, creating a sense of grace and fluidity in its form. This smooth curvature rises to a maximum height of about 60 meters above the shimmering surface of the water below, where sunlight dances upon the waves, casting sparkles that reflect the beauty of the landscape. The thoughtful design allows vehicles to traverse the span seamlessly, ensuring a tranquil passage over the water that lies beneath. This gentle arc is crafted with care to withstand harsh conditions, expertly designed to prevent sea ice from blocking the strait, ensuring safe and unobstructed travel. As one gazes upward at this towering height, the bridge exudes elegance, with impressive pillars that reach skyward, blending harmoniously with the vast expanse of the horizon and nature's presence. Its architectural precision serves practical needs while enhancing the visual appeal of the environment around it. Constructed with a thoughtful design, the structure was prepared to endure the ice pressures typically found in the Northumberland Strait. The careful consideration of environmental challenges results in a bridge that rests confidently over the water. With every detail meticulously planned, the design accommodates the seasonal movement of ice, allowing it to withstand the shifts and forces that nature presents. This approach reflects a deep understanding of the local weather patterns, ensuring safety and stability year-round. The bridge, with its graceful curves, effectively integrates with the landscape while addressing the specific conditions of the region. By focusing on the natural behavior of sea ice, the design promotes resilience against potential blockages in the strait. Its strength lies in the ability to adapt to the elements, creating a lasting structure that embodies thoughtful engineering. The approach taken in this design celebrates practical ingenuity and the beauty of functionality. A unique and lesser-known detail about the design of the Confederation Bridge involves a specially crafted curved alignment that prevents sea ice from blocking the strait, ensuring safer passage and accessibility for travelers. This thoughtful design aims to accommodate the powerful forces of nature while showcasing a commitment to functionality and resilience. The careful curvature of the alignment facilitates a smoother interaction with the icy waters, reflecting the ingenuity of engineering at its best. By effectively preventing ice accumulation, this design supports the bridge's purpose of connecting regions across the water, thereby maintaining navigability throughout the changing seasons. As the bridge gracefully spans the expanse, its shape reflects an acute awareness of environmental challenges, allowing it to withstand nature's elements with steadfast grace. Each curve enhances the structural integrity of the bridge, transforming a potential hazard into an elegant solution to a persistent natural phenomenon. A solid foundation emerged for the bridge project when federal funding was secured following an agreement reached in 1992. This significant collaboration laid essential groundwork for constructing a structure designed to withstand nature's forces. The process required meticulous planning and deep consideration, reflecting a commitment to creating a bridge resilient to challenges such as sea ice. Each detail within the project focused on enhancing functionality while responsibly addressing environmental concerns. Strategic decisions made during this period aimed to ensure that the bridge would maintain accessibility across the strait, despite the weather's unpredictable nature. This careful balance of design and necessity highlights the importance of thoughtful engineering in relation to natural elements. Embracing these aspects, the project represents a remarkable achievement in infrastructural design that actively considers its surroundings. The bridge, shaped by this foundational agreement, enhances travel with purpose and intent. A comprehensive environmental review played a crucial role in obtaining approval from both federal and provincial governments. This thorough examination ensured that every aspect of the project was carefully considered, recognizing the delicate balance of the surrounding environment. The detailed assessment addressed potential impacts while highlighting the importance of preserving local ecosystems during construction. By prioritizing environmental protection, the review created a sense of responsibility towards nature, ensuring development proceeded without compromising ecological integrity. This diligent process reflected a commitment to sustainability, easing concerns from various stakeholders involved in the approval process. The environmental review thoroughly examined factors such as air quality, water resources, and wildlife habitats, offering a well-rounded understanding of potential risks. Its comprehensive nature brought transparency to the decision-making process, allowing all parties to engage with the findings. An estimated cost of $1 billion Canadian marks a significant investment in the project, showcasing careful planning and consideration from all involved. This financial undertaking was supported through a public-private partnership, illustrating a collaborative effort between government entities and private companies. Each detail of the funding highlights a commitment to resource management, emphasizing the need for a robust financial strategy. With such considerable investment dedicated to vital infrastructure, stakeholders envisioned enhanced connectivity and accessibility, facilitating smoother travel across the waters. This approach not only strengthened economic ties, but also anticipated the future implications of the bridge on local areas. The combination of public and private efforts ensured that funds would be utilized effectively, maximizing the impact of the project. Such a deliberate financial structure paved the way for advancements in transportation, highlighting the necessity of collaboration. The outcome will improve experiences for those who travel across it. Political support was essential as the bridge would replace existing ferry services, signifying a notable change in transportation methods. The promise to improve transportation efficiency greatly influenced the design and proposal, allowing for travel between regions to become more seamless and reliable. This enhancement in transport stability changed the way people navigated their daily routes, facilitating easier access to goods and services. The bridge aimed to eliminate the delays often encountered with ferry schedules, presenting a dependable route for travelers every single day. Every detail of its intended purpose was thoughtfully addressed, highlighting that the bridge would effectively tackle transportation needs across the area. Enhanced travel options opened new paths for economic vitality, enabling businesses to flourish and creating opportunities for workers. Each crossing of the bridge offered the prospect of new journeys. A competitive bidding process initiated the careful selection of the ideal developer for the project, ensuring that only the most qualified candidate would be chosen. Strait Crossing Development, Inc. emerged as the proponent for design and construction, marking a pivotal moment in the development of the bridge. The thorough evaluation of proposals showcased a commitment to quality and precision, allowing for a careful selection of a team equipped with the essential expertise. This focused approach demonstrates the attention given to every single detail, ensuring that the strength and functionality of the bridge could endure the unique challenges posed by the environment. Confidence in Strait Crossing Development, Inc. arose from its proven track record and commitment to innovative solutions, which aimed to meet the specific needs of the project. Such deliberate decision-making illustrates a dedication to excellence, culminating in a bridge that stands robust and purposeful against the elements. In 1988, a public plebiscite took place on Prince Edward Island, revealing considerable interest in the proposed bridge. This plebiscite demonstrated that more than 60% of the island's residents expressed their support for the bridge, indicating a clear enthusiasm for this transformative project. The decisive majority reflected a longing for improved accessibility and a direct link to the mainland. As residents gathered to voice their opinions, the atmosphere was filled with anticipation and hope for the future. This strong backing paved the way for crucial decisions that would significantly reshape the island's landscape. The collective spirit among the residents created an inspiring energy around the project, emphasizing a shared vision and purpose. Each voice contributed to an undeniable momentum, leading to significant developments that would follow. This plebiscite marked a pivotal moment, illuminating the aspirations of the islanders and paving the way for progress toward their dreams. In the year 1993, the construction of the bridge officially received environmental assessment approval, marking an important milestone. This approval signifies a careful consideration of environmental impacts, providing assurance that the construction was compliant with ecological standards. The process of obtaining this approval highlights the importance of environmental stewardship and the commitment to protect natural surroundings during such significant projects. The decision came after thorough evaluations, revealing that the well-being of the local environment was a priority throughout the planning stages. This careful attention to detail ensured that every aspect of the construction was examined to mitigate any potential ecological disruptions. The approval process emphasizes the balance between development and preservation, showcasing a dedication to sustainability. The specific legislation, referred to as the Bridge Act, was carefully crafted to authorize the construction of the bridge. This act reflects a clear intention to facilitate the seamless passage across a significant waterway. Through the provisions detailed in the Bridge Act, plans were set in motion to create a structure that meets unique engineering challenges. The design focused on a curved alignment, which was essential to address the natural forces at play in the environment. This curvature was thoughtfully engineered to prevent sea ice from blocking the strait, ensuring safer travel conditions. Each aspect of the bridge's construction was underpinned by this pivotal legislation, which guided the commitment to bringing this ambitious project to life. The Bridge Act stands as a significant milestone in the evolution of infrastructure, highlighting the importance of careful planning and legislative support. Each phase of development was driven by the principles outlined within this act. A calm assurance envelops the space where the project received final political approval, reflecting a thorough examination of the balance between natural surroundings and human endeavors. Careful consideration was given to environmental impacts, ensuring that the bridge would not disrupt the delicate ecosystems in the area. A deep understanding of the economic cost-benefit further guided the decision-making process, illustrating a meticulous evaluation of financial sustainability alongside ecological preservation. Each element of the project was scrutinized to address concerns raised by various stakeholders, creating a sense of trust in the outcomes. The approval signifies a commitment to sustainability, combining engineering prowess with environmental responsibility. As the design takes shape with a curved alignment, it showcases not only innovation, but also adaptability in the face of natural challenges, preventing sea ice from blocking the strait. This thoughtful approach reflects conscious planning and respect for the surrounding environment. A project took shape as the federal and provincial governments of Canada and Prince Edward Island came together, agreeing on the vision of a fixed link that would unite distant shores. This collaboration marked the beginning of an endeavor that would solidify the funding necessary for the construction, ensuring the realization of a path across the waters. The certainty brought by this agreement created an atmosphere of possibility, where plans were transformed into tangible designs. This partnership reflected a commitment to enhancing accessibility and promoting a sense of closeness, as the promise of a fixed link garnered attention and resources. The agreement illuminated the path ahead, paving the way for subsequent phases of planning and development. With each decision made in this collaborative effort, there was a quiet assurance that the fixed link would stand as a symbol of shared aspirations. An unwavering focus on progress emerged from this collective commitment. The design of the Confederation Bridge incorporates a unique curved alignment that is specifically engineered to counteract the challenges posed by the presence of sea ice in the surrounding waters. This thoughtfully crafted curvature is not simply for visual appeal. It is crucial in preventing the accumulation of ice from obstructing the strait beneath the bridge. As the seasons transition and the tides ebb and flow, this carefully planned shape ensures that the bridge remains both accessible and safe for myriad travelers, facilitating smooth passage across the strait. The engineering behind this significant layout reflects a purposeful synergy of aesthetic allure and practical utility, ensuring stability in the changing climate. Furthermore, this distinctive curved alignment embodies a mindful consideration of natural conditions and their seasonal variations, showcasing a profound understanding of the environmental forces at play. The deliberate incorporation of this feature attests to the bridge's responsiveness to the unique challenges of its maritime setting. The piers of the bridge, standing strong and unwavering, each possess a substantial weight of approximately 7,500 tons. These impressive structures are constructed from high-density concrete, a material chosen for its durability and strength. As each pier gracefully supports the span of the bridge, they embody the engineering prowess required to endure the elements. The weight of these piers provides stability, ensuring that the structure remains resilient against the challenges of nature, including the pressures of shifting currents and seasonal weather changes. The high-density concrete exudes a sense of solidity, contributing to a robust foundation that promotes safety for those who traverse above. With each pier firmly anchored, the design carefully considers not only the aesthetic of the bridge, but also its functionality in the face of sea ice. This thoughtful construction allows the bridge to stand tall and steadfast, poised to serve its purpose effectively. An impressive volume of more than 60,000 tons of reinforcing steel fills the structure, playing a vital role in maintaining the bridge's strength and sturdiness. This immense amount of steel serves as a solid backbone, securing the bridge's integrity and ensuring its resilience against powerful winds and relentless weather conditions. The reinforcing steel enhances each beam and column, allowing the bridge to stand strong and ready to support the weight of countless vehicles and pedestrians alike. Under the sun's radiant glow, the gleaming steel reflects light beautifully, showcasing the careful engineering that has guided its construction. This critical component imbues the bridge with unwavering strength, allowing it to maintain its majestic form, whether basked in sunlight or shrouded in clouds. Every element of this thoughtfully designed framework contributes to its lasting strength, ensuring the bridge remains a monumental icon in the landscape. Engineers skillfully utilized GPS technology to ensure the precise positioning of bridge piers during the construction of the Confederation Bridge. This advanced technology offered them a remarkable capability to measure exact locations with an extraordinary degree of accuracy. Each pier was meticulously aligned, playing an essential role in the strength and stability of the entire structure. The use of such precise positioning helped to avoid potential errors that could arise from traditional methods, guaranteeing that each component fits seamlessly into the blueprint of the bridge. As the engineers relied on the GPS systems, they were able to work with an unshakable confidence in the integrity of their project. The sophisticated navigation provided real-time data, allowing them to make instant adjustments, ensuring nothing was overlooked. This attention to detail and the employment of modern technology were critical in shaping the outcome of the beautiful bridge that spans the water. Every element contributed to a safe and sturdy masterpiece. The use of a floating crane, known as Sveinen, was pivotal in assembling the bridge superstructure, providing an unwavering presence on the calm surface of the water. Its innovative design allowed for the smooth lifting of large sections, ensuring that each component was positioned with meticulous precision as the bridge soared above the tranquil waves beneath. The still waters embraced the crane as it navigated with ease, coordinating a thoughtful interplay between engineering and nature. Sveinen moved with grace and strength, reflecting the dedicated spirit of the project, while the atmosphere surrounding it pulsed with intention. Each lift of the crane contributed significantly to the masterpiece materializing, underscoring human creativity and determination amid the changing tides. As the superstructure ascended, the landscape transformed into a picturesque view, evoking a sense of calm throughout the construction process. Each action of Sveinen was filled with meaning, drawing the bridge ever closer to completion. During the cold winter months, specialized heating was applied to the concrete segments of the bridge to prevent thermal cracking. This careful application of heat ensured that the concrete maintained its structural integrity despite the freezing temperatures. By focusing on the prevention of thermal cracking, engineers ensured that the bridge remained strong and reliable throughout the harsh winter landscape. The warmth from the specialized heating embraced each segment, providing a soothing contrast to the frigid air surrounding the construction area. This thoughtful approach reflected a deep understanding of the materials used in building the bridge, prioritizing durability in a challenging environment. The bridge deck features 175 pre-stressed concrete box girder spans that stretch gracefully across the water. Each span is meticulously designed for strength and stability, offering a solid foundation that withstands the ebb and flow of the tides. The pre-stressed concrete ensures that the structure can support significant weight while maintaining durability against environmental pressures. As one gazes upon the sweeping lines of the bridge deck, the sight of the spans evokes a sense of calm reassurance. The carefully engineered design contributes to a seamless experience for travelers as they traverse this magnificent structure. The alignment of the bridge has been optimally crafted to prevent sea ice from blocking the strait, demonstrating a thoughtful approach to overcoming natural challenges. Such attention to detail in each of the 175 spans creates a tranquil environment as one crosses, making it a peaceful passage over the waters. In the thoughtful design of the bridge, careful attention was given to anti-icing measures that serve to mitigate ice accumulation on the surface. These measures ensure that the bridge remains accessible even during the chill of winter, providing safety and stability to all who cross it. The innovative strategies incorporated into the design reflect a deep understanding of the environmental challenges posed by seasonal ice. As the frosty air surrounds the structure, these anti-icing elements work diligently to prevent hazardous build up on the surface of the bridge. When winter arrives, travelers can find peace of mind knowing that the bridge has been designed with foresight and care. Each element has been purposefully crafted to withstand the rigors of nature, allowing for a smooth passage over the strait despite the icy conditions. Every crossing offers reassurance and confidence during cold months, illustrating how meticulous planning enhances the bridge's resilience against winter's embrace. Fiber optic cabling, a remarkable innovation, was integrated into the design for real-time monitoring and communication. This cabling serves a crucial role in ensuring that all aspects of the structure can be observed with precision and clarity. The light traveling through the fiber optics allows for swift transmission of data, keeping engineers informed about the bridge's condition at all times. Such technology not only enhances safety, but also offers reassurance to those who traverse the bridge, connecting vast stretches of land. The clarity of the information gathered through this cabling allows for timely decision-making when needed. As the seasons change and environmental conditions fluctuate, this integration plays an essential part in maintaining the integrity of the bridge. The fiber optic cabling serves as a vital link in this magnificent structure, delivering continuous communication and monitoring. Balance is maintained through this advanced system, ensuring the bridge remains a reliable passage for many. In the construction of the bridge, epoxy-coated rebar plays a crucial role in ensuring durability and longevity, as it prevents corrosion in the marine environment. This special coating forms a protective barrier around each rebar that defends against the damaging effects of salt water and moisture, which are prevalent in coastal settings. The choice of epoxy-coated rebar reflects a careful consideration of the environmental conditions that could impact the integrity of the structure over time. By utilizing this engineered material, the builders enhance the bridge's resilience against the harsh elements often encountered in marine environments. The coating acts as a shield, allowing the rebar to maintain its strength while receiving constant exposure to inevitable wear and tear from the surrounding sea. Each strand of rebar, cloaked in its epoxy layer, contributes to the innovative design elements reflect a thoughtful approach to the Confederation Bridge, notably in its expansion joint design that allows for thermal movement. This unique feature accommodates the natural expansion and contraction of materials in response to temperature variations, ensuring the bridge's structural integrity throughout changing seasons. As the sun warms or cools the structure, the expansion joints facilitate smooth movement, preventing unnecessary stress on the materials. In a setting where weather can be unpredictable, this design enhances the bridge's resilience against the forces of nature. Each detail of this engineering choice contributes to the bridge's lasting stability, allowing it to withstand the passage of time while gracefully adapting to its environment. Travelers may find comfort in knowing that such meticulous attention to thermal dynamics plays a key role in the bridge's performance over the years. The blend of innovation and practicality in this design stands as a significant achievement. The Confederation Bridge features a distinctive design characterized by its curved alignment, specifically created to address the challenges posed by nature. This thoughtful curvature plays a vital role in preventing sea ice from blocking the strait, allowing for smooth passage across the waterway. The bridge's architecture reflects a deep understanding of the environmental conditions it faces, as the incessant movement of ice can often disrupt maritime activities. By embracing this unique alignment, engineers have ensured that the bridge remains operational even during harsh winters. This innovative approach highlights the balance between functionality and environmental considerations, creating a structure that stands firm against the elements. Each aspect of the curve serves a purpose, making it not only practical, but also a fascinating study in design and natural forces. The resolve of this construction allows for safe travel while embracing the rhythms of nature and protecting the strait from ice blockage. A dedicated team of over 5,000 skilled laborers worked tirelessly at the height of the Confederation Bridge's construction. This vibrant atmosphere allowed their expertise to shine, as each laborer played a vital role in shaping a structure designed to withstand the forces of nature. The steady sounds of tools at work filled the surrounding space, blending seamlessly with the gentle murmurs of the distant sea waves. Workers collaborated closely, their focused energy contributing to the precise curved alignment, specifically engineered to prevent sea ice from obstructing the strait. Each day presented a fresh set of challenges, yet the unwavering commitment of these laborers crafted a bridge that could endure the test of time. As their skills were applied with care, they raised a monumental creation that spans the waters gracefully, reflecting their hard work. Their collective efforts have forged a lasting legacy over the water, showcasing the strength of their dedication. In the creation of the Confederation Bridge, an impressive display of global collaboration emerged as workers from over 50 countries came together for various construction phases. Each individual brought unique skills and perspectives, contributing to the complex process that shaped this monumental structure. The scene was filled with the sounds of machinery and conversations in diverse languages, reflecting a rich mix of cultures united by a common purpose. The blend of expertise from these many nations ensured that every aspect of the bridge's design was approached with careful consideration and knowledge. As they labored side by side, the atmosphere was charged with determination and focus, under the soft glow of the setting sun glistening on the water. This collaboration not only marked the physical construction of the bridge, but also illuminated the spirit of teamwork. The resulting structure stands strong, a result of their combined efforts and dedication. A dedicated housing development was established, thoughtfully designed to accommodate workers near the construction site. This intentional arrangement ensured that those laboring on the project had a comfortable place to rest after long hours of work. The development created a sense of accessibility, allowing workers to commute effortlessly to their tasks without the burdens of lengthy travel. This closeness encouraged a spirit of support among individuals, enabling them to discuss ideas and share insights about their work in a relaxed setting. Each dwelling provided essential amenities, such as cozy living spaces and ample natural light, contributing to a restful environment that facilitated recovery from demanding shifts. Thoughtful landscaping surrounded the development, offering green areas for leisurely strolls and moments of serenity. The design prioritized the well-being of the workers, ensuring that their needs were met as they contributed to the project. Every detail was considered to create an inviting space for all who resided there. The commitment to worker safety was paramount, reflecting a deep responsibility for those involved in the project. With over 200,000 hours dedicated to safety training, each moment was carefully crafted to instill a thorough understanding of the potential hazards present. Workers immersed themselves in this extensive training, enjoying a supportive environment that prepared them for the unique challenges ahead. The sound of discussions filled the air as individuals actively engaged in learning techniques to ensure their protection. Each session was meticulously structured, providing essential knowledge about equipment, procedures, and protocols designed for safety. The atmosphere was one of focus and determination, creating a calm sense of confidence among the participants. Workers left each training session equipped with skills specifically tailored to enhance their safety on the job. This comprehensive preparation underscored the importance placed on every individual's well-being, creating a culture centered on prioritizing safety as a core value. Amidst the construction of the bridge, workers faced extreme weather conditions that tested their resolve and resilience. Harsh winters enveloped the area, with temperatures dropping significantly below -20 degrees Celsius. The biting cold seeped into every layer of clothing, making each day on the job a challenge against nature's might. Frost blanketed the landscape, transforming the surroundings into a shimmering expanse of ice and snow that glistened under the pale winter sun. As they toiled tirelessly against this unforgiving backdrop, the determination of the workers shone through, illuminated by their commitment to the task at hand. The landscape, stark and frozen, was a constant reminder of the effort required to achieve a structural marvel that would stand resilient against the elements. Each frigid breath served as motivation, shaping not only the bridge, but also the unyielding spirit of those who built it. In the midst of focused discussions, union negotiations paved the way for labor agreements that centered around crucial aspects such as pay and safety. These negotiations were essential in addressing the concerns of workers, ensuring that their compensation reflected the hard work they dedicated each day. Attention to safety became a priority, allowing workers to feel secure in their environment while they carried out their responsibilities. The agreements also encompassed working conditions, creating an atmosphere that emphasized well-being and respect. By establishing clear understandings through these negotiations, a sense of stability emerged for the workforce, permitting them to contribute effectively without the weight of uncertainty. The commitment to improving these vital components exemplifies the effort to cultivate a positive workplace. Such negotiations created an important foundation that supports productivity and morale among the workers. This careful attention to labor agreements nurtures a culture of respect and safety. During the construction period, the on-site cafeteria offered nourishment to all the workers engaged in the project, reportedly serving over 1 million meals. The aroma of freshly prepared dishes filled the air, creating a sense of comfort amidst the labor. Each meal provided essential energy, fueling the determination and dedication required for such an immense undertaking. The cafeteria became a central hub where workers could gather, share stories, and rejuvenate for the tasks ahead. With every meal served, a moment of respite emerged, allowing for conversation and camaraderie. The clattering of utensils and the cheerful chatter blended together, creating a welcoming atmosphere that lifted spirits. Amidst the meticulous efforts to achieve the design and curved alignment to prevent sea ice from blocking the strait, these meals played a vital role in sustaining the workforce. The experience of sharing over 1 million meals intertwined with the construction itself, making it an integral part of the endeavor. In the serene environment surrounding the construction site, the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore reflects the importance of the local tradespeople. Many local tradespeople receive specialized training in pouring high-density marine concrete, a vital skill necessary for the integrity of the Confederation Bridge. This specialized training, ensured that they understood the unique properties of marine concrete, which is essential for withstanding the harsh conditions of coastal environments. As the sun rises and casts a soft light on their work, these tradespeople apply their knowledge with precision, carefully mixing and pouring the concrete to create a robust structure. Their commitment to excellence contributes to the bridge's ability to endure the elements, particularly sea ice that could threaten the stability of the strait. Each pouring session becomes a moment of focused dedication, linking skilled hands to the lasting legacy of the bridge. Their expertise shapes the physical structure while also influencing the future of the region. A sense of accomplishment filled the air as hundreds of workers gathered to commemorate the completion of the bridge with a traditional topping-off ceremony. This significant occasion marked a milestone in the project, with each individual sharing in the pride of their collective efforts. The atmosphere buzzed with the energy of celebration as the last structural element was placed into position, signifying a major achievement. Faces lit up with smiles, reflecting the years of hard work invested in this engineering marvel. Each worker embraced this moment, contributing uniquely to the realization of this vital structure over the water. The ceremony served as a meaningful acknowledgement of the dedication and skill required to bring the bridge to life. As they celebrated, the sun cast a warm glow, illuminating the hard-earned result of teamwork and perseverance. Every detail of the moment etched itself into the memories of those present, forever commemorating this remarkable achievement in their hearts. Through the art of construction, several second-generation families shared their skills with one another, creating a steady flow of knowledge through the years. Each family embraced the opportunity to pass down their expertise, ensuring that valuable techniques were not lost with time. As the generations worked side by side, the rich history of craftsmanship filled the air, echoing the dedication of those who came before them. The artistry lay in the way each member contributed their unique insights, enhancing the collective understanding of the craft. This practice of mentorship and collaboration resulted in not just the construction of structures, but in the nurturing of relationships built on trust and shared passion. The generations infused their collective experience into every aspect of their work, amplifying the integrity and reliability of each build they completed. A legacy of skill, care, and familial bonds flourished through these ties. An architectural marvel, the Confederation Bridge incorporates a unique detail that is lesser known yet profoundly significant. This bridge employs a carefully designed curved alignment, which is an intentional choice made specifically to counter the challenges posed by sea ice. The gentle curvature serves a vital purpose by guiding ice away from the strait, effectively minimizing the potential for blockages that could disrupt navigation during winter months. This innovative design feature reflects a deep understanding of environmental conditions, as ice tends to accumulate in straight paths. As the structure stretches gracefully over the vast waters, the curvature not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also ensures the bridge remains functional and safe throughout the harshest seasons. The careful engineering allows the bridge to withstand the natural forces of winter while keeping the strait accessible for marine vessels. The thoughtfulness in this design illustrates a commitment to both beauty and practicality. Ice floes measuring over 2 meters thick and extending for 20 kilometers wide presented substantial construction challenges. These massive ice formations created obstacles that required careful planning and innovative engineering solutions. The sheer thickness of the ice introduced serious risks, as it could impede progress and jeopardize the safety of construction teams working on site. Engineers dedicated significant effort to devising strategies to navigate these frozen formations, adapting their designs and construction methods to accommodate the unique conditions. The impressive size of these ice floes altered the project timeline, as each phase needed to be meticulously coordinated to reduce the risk of delays. Observing the sunlight glint off the surfaces of these colossal ice structures provided a captivating visual acknowledgement of the environment's might. Each challenge presented by these ice floes demanded exceptional determination and creativity, ensuring that the project moved forward safely and effectively. Every decision made under these circumstances proved crucial to the outcome. Delays in construction arose when an unexpected discovery of an ancient archaeological site came to light, leading to a pause in the progress of the project. The construction team found themselves taking a step back, allowing experts to examine the significant archaeological find with great care. The site held remnants of the past that provided insights into ancient civilizations and their way of life. As workers patiently waited, they were enveloped by the stillness that accompanied the site, creating an atmosphere of quiet reverence for the history unearthed. Each day of delay brought a deeper appreciation for the untold stories embedded in the land, stories that might have remained hidden without this unexpected revelation. The pause in construction allowed for this unique moment in time, reflecting a commitment to preserving history while planning for the future. Eventually, the project would continue, now enriched by the narratives of those who once lived there. Amid the challenging coastal environment, workers faced harsh marine conditions while bringing the vision of the bridge to life. Each installation required skilled divers who descended into the depths with precision, navigating the dynamic underwater landscape. The use of submersible equipment played a crucial role in ensuring that each component fit seamlessly into place, despite the ever-changing currents. As these divers worked diligently beneath the surface, they contended with the brisk waters that surrounded them, embracing the unique challenges presented by the sea. The team's expertise ensured that every structure was anchored securely, adapting to the demands of the unforgiving maritime atmosphere. This meticulous process of installation under such difficult circumstances highlighted the dedication of those who undertook the task. Each movement beneath the water's surface contributed to the robustness and reliability of the bridge, leading to a structure that stands resilient against the elements. Innovative flotation and balancing techniques guided the construction of the piers, thoughtfully accounting for the varying tides that impact the area. Each pier rests upon a system meticulously designed to adapt and respond to these tidal shifts, ensuring both stability and resilience. The gentle rise and fall of the water is embraced, as the architecture reflects a deep understanding of nature's ebb and flow. With every change in tide, these techniques enable the structure to harmonize with the rhythm of the sea, allowing it to maintain its integrity. Skilled engineers applied creative methods to balance the piers, promoting safety and longevity amidst the dynamic environment. As the tides sigh against the foundation, the design stands strong, demonstrating the craftsmanship dedicated to overcoming challenges presented by nature. Every aspect of this construction serves to enhance its functionality and performance, creating a lasting structure that thrives alongside the water's movements. In a tranquil setting, the bridge's construction involved complex logistics, carefully orchestrated to ensure a seamless transition from the assembly yard to the bridge site. Each prefabricated section was meticulously crafted, designed to embody strength and resilience. As the sections moved forward, the air filled with the scent of fresh materials, while the sound of machinery hummed softly in the background. Workers coordinated every movement with precision, ensuring that the sections arrived in perfect condition, ready for assembly. The landscape around them provided a serene backdrop, emphasizing the importance of every logistical detail in the project's success. With each section transporting, anticipation grew as the bridge began to take form against the vast expanse of the strait. This careful planning highlighted the dedication and thoughtfulness that went into every aspect of the construction. Each careful movement of the sections brought them closer to completion and the promise of lasting stability. During the peak of construction, adverse weather conditions necessitated frequent updates to the timeline, affecting the progress of the project. Each challenge brought about by inclement weather required thoughtful adjustments to ensure safe operations. Rain, wind, and snow impacted the delicate tasks essential for maintaining the project's integrity, making adaptability crucial for the workers involved. Those involved displayed remarkable resilience, adjusting their plans while keeping a steady focus on the main objective, building a bridge designed to connect distant areas. Each shift in schedule highlighted the unpredictable nature of the elements, forcing a careful response from the team as they navigated these challenges. The adjustments became an expected aspect of the process, showcasing the delicate interplay between human effort and environmental influences. Despite the weather-related delays, the unwavering commitment to quality ensured that the design would effectively prevent sea ice from blocking the strait. This dedication remains central to the construction experience. The safety of the construction relied on continuous seismic monitoring, which played a crucial role in overseeing activities in the area. This meticulous approach was especially important in a region described as tectonically stable, indicating that while the ground beneath was generally secure, it retained a sensitivity that required vigilance. The continuous observation allowed engineers to receive real-time data, ensuring that any minor shifts or movements were detected promptly. The secure environment fostered confidence among the construction team, knowing that their work was being supported by rigorous monitoring. Such diligence in monitoring not only contributed to the structural integrity of the project, but also highlighted the commitment to safety in a delicate ecological setting. This attention to detail is reflected In 1996, the final moment of creation arrived, as the last piece of precast concrete was set in place, marking the completion of a significant chapter in construction. The air was filled with a sense of accomplishment as workers admired their labor, knowing that the end of major construction activities brought great relief and satisfaction. This pivotal point in time illustrated how the careful design had reached its full potential, embodying thoughtful engineering. The anticipation of a new era unlocked possibilities, as the curved alignment was precisely crafted to prevent sea ice from obstructing the strait. Each section placed with care contributed to a unified vision, reflecting the dedication poured into this monumental task. The completion echoed throughout the vast surroundings, marking not just an end, but the beginning of a structure that would stand resilient against the challenges of nature. This marked a moment of pride for all involved. The completion date of the bridge was set for May 1997, which marked an earlier timeline than initially projected. This decision reflected a careful consideration of the construction process and its challenges, highlighting a deep commitment to efficiency and progress. The achievement of finishing ahead of schedule symbolized the dedication of the engineers, builders, and all involved in the project. The scheduled completion drew attention to the meticulous planning and coordination, required for such an expansive endeavor. As May 1997 approached, anticipation surrounded the groundbreaking structure that would connect and support the surrounding regions. Days of preparation led to the moment where the bridge would stand strong against the elements and serve as a lasting link. The focus on an earlier completion ignited a sense of excitement for those who envisioned the bridge's role in the future. The successful establishment of the bridge on time ushered in a new chapter for the area. The construction site office, once a center of coordination and oversight, closed down in June 1997 after all equipment had been demobilized. The absence of machinery created an enveloping quiet that replaced the energetic sounds that once filled the space. This stillness marked a significant transition as the vibrant atmosphere of a project in motion faded into serene tranquility. With everything secured and accounted for, the office gracefully surrendered its purpose, embodying the successful culmination of the extensive labor undertaken. Each corner, void of activity, echoed memories of dedication and hard work that had surrounded the site. The shift in the atmosphere was palpable, with the land returning to its peaceful state as nature reclaimed its space. As the sun dipped below the horizon on that late summer evening, the site stood ready for the next chapter, embodying the transformation from dynamic construction to serene closure. On a gentle May day, the official opening ceremony embraced the warmth of sunshine on May 31st, 1997. The atmosphere was alive with anticipation and joy, as the completion of this monumental endeavor marked a significant moment in time. Participants gathered to honor the culmination of a remarkable effort, felt in the cool breeze that danced on the waters nearby. The vivid hues of celebration contrasted beautifully against the backdrop of the architecture, showcasing a thoughtful design that would withstand harsh elements. Emotions flowed freely among the attendees, each immersed in the sight of this graceful structure standing strong and proud. The sense of accomplishment hung like a delicate mist, wrapping around the moment, reminding everyone of the challenges overcome along the way. On that unforgettable day, the bridge signified more than mere engineering. It represented a new chapter, one filled with promise and hope for the future. The Confederation Bridge showcases a unique detail in its design, with a carefully considered curved alignment. This curved alignment serves a specific purpose, as it was built to prevent sea ice from blocking the strait. The gentle arc of the bridge strategically navigates the surrounding waters, allowing for smooth passage while also addressing the natural challenges of the environment. This intelligent engineering helps to ensure the bridge remains functional even during the harsh winter months. As the seasons change, the curved form of the bridge becomes a subtle but essential feature, working with nature rather than against it. The thoughtful consideration of sea ice dynamics in its design reflects the importance of planning and adaptation. This innovative approach contributes to the bridge's resilience against the elements, showcasing a remarkable blend of practicality and foresight in its creation. Each detail of its design plays a crucial role in maintaining safe passage over the water. Stretching an impressive 12.9 kilometers, the Confederation Bridge is the longest bridge in Canada. Its remarkable length gracefully spans the distance between Prince Edward Island and the mainland, showcasing stunning engineering ingenuity. As one traverses this expansive bridge, a feeling of openness envelops the senses, enhanced by the panoramic views of the shining waters below. The length of this structure invites a sense of tranquility, allowing the mind to wander while taking in the vast blue horizon on either side. With each passing kilometer, The gentle sway of the bridge beneath one's feet serves as a calming reminder of the diverse landscapes it connects. The serene atmosphere surrounding the bridge encourages moments of reflection as the waves below move in sync with the changing tides. This grand bridge is more than a pathway. It embodies the beauty of distance and the brilliant achievements of human design. Stretching gracefully across the waters, each span of the bridge measures 250 meters, presenting a magnificent sight that connects two shores with elegance. The impressive length reveals the thoughtful engineering intricacies behind its design, standing tall against the vast expanse of sky and water. The structure is further enhanced by the strategic spacing of some piers, which are positioned at 60-meter intervals, providing a sense of stability and balance as they rise from the depths below. This careful consideration of distance not only reinforces the bridge's integrity, but also demonstrates the meticulous planning invested in every aspect of its construction. As the tides gently flow around its sturdy foundations, the bridge embodies its purpose, specifically designed to prevent sea ice from obstructing the strait. Observing this splendid structure, one can appreciate the exquisite synergy between design and function, all while embracing the tranquil landscape that unfolds around it. Rising gracefully against the sky, the bridge stands as one of the tallest structures in North America, with some sections reaching over 60 meters above sea level. This impressive height provides not only a remarkable view, but also a crucial elevation designed to navigate the natural elements of the landscape below. The towering spans contribute to the bridge's ability to withstand the forces of nature that may arise in this coastal region. As one gazes up at such magnificent heights, the air feels invigorated, filled with a sense of wonder at engineering that stands proud against the elements. Each towering section serves a purpose, ensuring that the bridge remains resilient in the face of changing tides and shifting weather patterns. The height also allows for unobstructed passage beneath, a vital consideration for marine traffic in the surrounding waters. In this serene setting, the bridge's majestic stature offers a sense of calm reassurance and stability. A thoughtfully crafted curved design characterizes the bridge, leading to a significant elevation change of 250 meters from one end to the other. This gentle rise and fall allows for a seamless transition that guides travelers across its expanse with ease. The elegant curvature beautifully integrates with the landscape, inviting onlookers to immerse themselves in the breathtaking views of the surroundings. As individuals traverse the bridge, they experience a sense of elevation that reveals expansive vistas of the shimmering water below, evoking a deep appreciation for the ingenuity of design intertwined with nature's artistry. The careful adaptation to the natural topography promotes resilience, ensuring that the bridge stands strong against sea ice and other environmental challenges. Each curve enhances not only the structure's aesthetic allure, but also its functional performance, making it a remarkable example of thoughtful engineering for all who cross. A remarkable aspect of this impressive structure lies in its composition of approximately 65,000 individual precast concrete segments, each built with meticulous attention to detail. Every segment is designed to interlock seamlessly with its neighbors, creating a robust form that holds both strength and visual appeal. The sheer number of segments not only contributes to its commanding presence, but also showcases the comprehensive planning dedicated to its design, which takes into account the environmental factors it faces. With each segment carefully positioned, the structure demonstrates a thoughtful response to both weight distribution and durability. As light dances across the surface of the concrete, the interplay of shadows reveals subtle variations in texture, further enhancing its captivating aesthetic. This meticulous assembly reflects a commitment to quality that ensures the structure stands strong against the test of time. Such precision fosters an appreciation for the craft that went into its creation. A staggering total of 1,900,000 cubic meters of concrete was utilized in the construction of this remarkable structure. This immense quantity of concrete serves as the backbone of the bridge, offering the weight and stability essential to withstand nature's relentless forces. As waves crash beneath and winds sweep across the surface of the water, this solid mass stands as a reflection of the remarkable engineering involved in its creation. Each cubic meter bolsters the resilience of the bridge, allowing it to gracefully weather the changing seasons and the challenges presented by the surrounding environment. The thoughtfully arranged concrete supports form a reliable pathway for travelers, connecting distant shores while ensuring safe passage. Even as sea ice threatens the waters, the mindful design and substantial use of concrete guarantee that the bridge remains sturdy and functional. This structure invites safe passage across icy waters, anchoring travelers in safety and comfort. The construction of this remarkable bridge utilized more than 5,000 tons of steel cable, which provides strength and stability to its elegant form. As one envisions the installation of such substantial materials, the strands of steel being carefully threaded through the framework evoke a sense of precision and craftsmanship. Each ton of steel cable plays a critical role in ensuring that the bridge withstands the forces of nature, including the weight of vehicles and the pressures of winter. The impressive quantity suggests a solid foundation upon which the complex structure rises, ready to connect. In the presence of harsh sea ice and changing tides, these steel cables reflect an engineering foresight designed to prevent obstacles from impeding the strait below. The substantial effort put into this bridge's construction is a crucial element of its lasting presence against the backdrop of the landscape, symbolizing a commitment to durability and safety. A graceful elevation marks the main navigation span, carefully constructed to rise at least 40 meters above the waters below. This thoughtful height allows for large ships to glide effortlessly through the strait, safeguarding their passage as they navigate the waterways. The sheer size of vessels that pass beneath is accentuated by the carefully designed structure above, reminding all of the meticulous planning behind this engineering marvel. The open space invites a sense of tranquility, providing a clear and unobstructed passage that enhances the beauty of the surrounding environment. The expansive height captures the attention of those standing at either end, drawing their eyes toward the horizon where sky meets water in a gentle embrace. This remarkable height not only accommodates the needs of maritime activities, but creates a serene atmosphere where observers can enjoy the graceful movement of boats without any obstruction. A calming ambience envelops this stunning passageway. Each year, a remarkable number of over 1 million vehicles traverse the majestic bridge, inviting a steady flow of movement across its expanse. The rhythm of wheels gliding over the structure becomes a calming heartbeat for the travelers as they make their way from one side to the other. This bridge serves as a crucial pathway, providing vital access for those who rely on its path for their daily commutes or occasional travels. The sound of engines softly humming fills the air, creating a soothing backdrop to the serene environment surrounding the bridge. Each vehicle carries unique stories and destinations, adding to the vibrant atmosphere that encompasses the bridge. The curve of its alignment is carefully designed to prevent sea ice from obstructing the strait, maintaining safety for all. As vehicles pass steadily, the bridge gracefully fulfills its purpose, standing proud through each crossing, a steadfast entity in the daily experience of countless travelers. Constructed with great care and expertise, the bridge components were transporting and assembled using the world's largest floating crane at the time, showcasing an impressive feat of engineering. Each piece journeyed over the tranquil waters, as the crane demonstrated its remarkable lifting capacity and stability, gliding gracefully above the gentle waves. The crane, a monumental marvel, loomed over the scene with an air of strength, playing a crucial role in precisely maneuvering the bridge's carefully designed segments into place. Its significant presence reshaped the landscape, as it expertly positioned each segment, which was crafted to endure both time and the changing seasons. With each section successfully completed, an evolving structure emerged against the peaceful backdrop of the strait. This massive undertaking not only altered the skyline, but also symbolized the brilliant marriage of innovation and nature, highlighting the exceptional capability of human creativity and the wonders of engineering. The design of the Confederation Bridge features a unique curved alignment that is specifically engineered to address the challenge of sea ice. This thoughtful curvature allows the structure to remain resilient against natural forces, ensuring that the strait remains navigable and free from ice blockages. The meticulous design highlights the importance of considering environmental factors in engineering, emphasizing its role in maintaining the functionality of this vital infrastructure. Each segment of the bridge is carefully constructed to accommodate the dynamics of seasonal changes, while the smooth curvature enables the bridge to gracefully adapt to shifting ice patterns. Its engineering showcases an innovative approach to ensuring that human-made structures coexist with the natural world. The curved design stands out as an elegant solution to a specific problem, reflecting both ingenuity and foresight. The interplay of form and function in this structure beautifully illustrates the brilliant design philosophy at work. A thorough environmental impact assessment spanned 3 years before the construction of the bridge commenced, displaying a commitment to understanding the surroundings. This careful study allowed engineers to evaluate the potential effects on the delicate ecosystems that lie beneath the surface. The expansive timeframe enabled experts to gather crucial data, diligently observing the local wildlife and marine life that inhabit the strait's waters. During this process, engineers took into consideration the unique climate patterns, ensuring that their designs would be effective and considerate of natural dynamics. They meticulously analyzed the behavior of sea ice and its interaction with the proposed structure to ensure a safe passageway for vessels traversing the area. This diligent preparation underscored the importance of protecting the environment while creating a functional bridge. By investing these 3 years in assessment, every aspect of nature was respected and integrated into the planning of a bridge designed to connect while preserving the beauty of the strait below. The project area came under careful observation by marine biologists, who meticulously catalogued the potential impacts on fish and bird populations. This careful analysis aimed to understand how the construction would influence the delicate balance of life within the region. Observing the behavior and habitats of various species, the biologists gathered valuable data that would inform future conservation efforts. The presence of fish, with their shimmering scales glinting beneath the water, and the rich variety of bird life in the area highlighted the ecological diversity that needed protection. With each survey, the biologists noted changes in population dynamics and habitat usage, ensuring that every step of the project was mindful of its natural surroundings. The calm waters and vibrant skies themselves seem to reflect the importance of preserving this ecosystem, reminding those involved that these efforts could lead to a more sustainable future. Protecting both fish and birds remained a priority throughout the entire process. In the thoughtful design of the bridge, dedicated channels were incorporated specifically for marine life, allowing creatures to pass freely beneath its structure. These channels ensure that the natural movements of sea life are uninterrupted, creating a safe passage amid the impressive architecture. As the water flows gently around the bridge's foundation, the open spaces beneath become vital habitats, nurturing the diverse ecosystems that thrive there. The deliberate planning behind these channels reflects a mindful approach to coexistence, where human engineering meets the needs of marine beings. Each channel serves as both a pathway and a sanctuary, supporting the delicate balance of life in the waters below. Marine life can navigate without hindrance, celebrating the seamless integration of nature and design. This approach honors the balance of progress and preservation, emphasizing a commitment to nature's well-being. By prioritizing wildlife passage, the design recognizes the web of life beneath the waves. Acoustic studies were diligently conducted during the construction of the bridge, meticulously focusing on minimizing noise disruption to local marine fauna. These studies revealed critical insights into the potential impact construction noise can have on various marine species inhabiting the surrounding waters. The underwater sounds produced during construction can significantly influence foraging behaviors and communication among these sensitive creatures. Researchers carefully analyzed sound wave patterns, documenting the heightened sensitivity of local sea life to auditory disruptions from machinery and tools. To protect this delicate ecosystem, strategies were created to effectively reduce noise levels during peak construction hours, ensuring minimal interference with the daily activities of marine organisms. In addition to implementing quieter machinery, scheduling construction during specific times that would limit disturbance to local wildlife proved beneficial. Engaging in these acoustic studies underscores the significance of balancing infrastructure development with the welfare of marine ecosystems. This thoughtful approach fosters a more sustainable environment for all living beings. Along the access roads of the Confederation Bridge, native vegetation was carefully planted to nurture the land after construction. Each planting serves as a reminder of the ecosystem's beauty and resilience, welcoming local flora back to its rightful place. The soft rustling of leaves and the vibrant colors of blossoms create a serene atmosphere, inviting a sense of peace to the area. This restoration effort reflects a commitment to reconnecting the land with its natural heritage, allowing plants to thrive and coexist. The diverse array of native species helps to stabilize the soil, promoting biodiversity along the once disturbed pathways. As these plants take root and flourish, they contribute to the revitalization of the environment, creating habitats for local wildlife and enhancing the landscape's visual appeal. The sights and sounds of this natural rejuvenation offer a tranquil setting, serving as a gentle reminder of the balance that can be achieved through careful stewardship of the land. In the tranquil embrace of coastal waters, specific measures were thoughtfully implemented to ensure a serene environment beneath the surface. Silk curtains gracefully settled into place, creating a barrier that gently contained sediment during construction while preserving the natural beauty of the shoreline. the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem remained undisturbed, allowing aquatic life to thrive in its familiar habitat. As these curtains floated softly in the water, they served as a reminder of the care taken to protect the clarity and purity of the sea. With each wave that lapped against the shore, the integrity of the coastal landscape was maintained, ensuring that the mesmerizing colors of the water remained unclouded. Each thoughtful detail of this careful planning reflected a commitment to safeguarding the diverse life that dwells beneath the waves. The serene sounds of the coastline echoed the mindful precautions in place. A deep commitment to the environment was evident in the project, which complied meticulously with stringent guidelines from the Canadian Environmental Assessment Agency. Each aspect of the design received careful evaluation to ensure minimal impact on the delicate ecosystems surrounding the bridge. Adherence to these guidelines reflected a thorough understanding of the local environment, taking into account the unique challenges posed by the area. As construction progressed, every step aligned with a clear set of regulations that prioritized ecological balance and sustainability. This attention to compliance cultivated a strong sense of responsibility towards the land, the waters, and the creatures that inhabit them. Each decision made along the way was guided by the framework established by the Canadian Environmental Assessment Agency, ensuring that the integrity of the surrounding nature remained intact. This mindful approach established a foundation for a structure that blends seamlessly with its environment. The gentle motion of sea ice along the surface of the water is influenced by various factors, and oceanographic modeling plays a crucial role in understanding this movement. Through sophisticated analysis, patterns of sea ice movement around bridge piers can be predicted with remarkable accuracy. These predictions are essential for the design of each structure, as they ensure that the bridge maintains its integrity against the dynamic forces of nature. The meticulous study of these patterns enables engineers to anticipate potential delays or shifts in the ice, leading to stronger construction methods. Each bridge pier stands firm, strategically positioned to endure the influences of drifting ice. As the icy waters ebb and flow gently, the knowledge gained from oceanographic modeling provides a sense of safety and stability. The interplay between engineering and nature becomes a careful balance of thoughtful design, where resilience thrives in response to the elements of the environment. The timing of construction was carefully planned in response to studies on migratory bird patterns, reflecting a deep awareness of nature's rhythms. These studies provided insight into when the birds would be present, guiding the builders to minimize disturbance during critical migration periods. As workers prepared the site, they ensured that the methods employed aligned with the nesting habits and travel routes of the birds, allowing for a respectful coexistence with wildlife. Each phase of the construction was thoughtfully coordinated to respect the cycles of nature, embracing the serenity of the environment. Observers might have marveled at the alignment between progress and the delicate movement of migrating birds overhead, flitting gracefully through the skies. With deliberate attention to these patterns, the project took shape in a way that honored the natural world, creating a peaceful atmosphere. This approach exemplifies the importance of considering all inhabitants while creating lasting structures. The design of the bridge reflects careful consideration, with its height and pier spacing meticulously calculated to minimize interference with local marine ecosystems. Each aspect of the height is meant to allow boats and vessels safe passage while respecting the needs of marine life. Pier spacing is thoughtfully arranged to ensure that the natural currents remain uninterrupted, creating a conducive environment for fish and other aquatic organisms to flourish. The calculated height allows sunlight to penetrate the water, supporting the growth of essential underwater plants that serve as a vital source of oxygen. As the bridge towers gracefully above, it stands as a barrier from pollution, shielding the waters below from human impact. Each component of this structure serves a purpose, embodying a thoughtful approach to engineering that respects the delicate balance of nature. This bridge exists not only for human use, but also as a guardian of the marine ecosystems beneath it. A unique design is evident in the Confederation Bridge, characterized by its carefully considered curved alignment. This innovative feature was specifically created to address the formidable challenge of sea ice that can obstruct the strait. Engineers prioritized functionality to ensure that the bridge can withstand the powerful forces of nature during the frigid months. The curvature of the bridge is not merely an aesthetic choice. It plays a vital role in directing the flow of sea currents, thereby reducing the accumulation of ice. By thoughtfully integrating this curved alignment into the bridge's structure, the design effectively minimizes the impact of harsh winter conditions. The foresight inherent in this engineering achievement reveals a commitment to maintaining safety and accessibility throughout the entire year. The design over the water stands resilient against the seasonal elements, reflecting a dedication to innovative problem solving. The bridge remains a crucial transportation route and a remarkable solution to environmental challenges. A gentle light embraced the horizon on May 31, 1997, as the Confederation Bridge officially opened to the public, welcoming its first visitors on this momentous occasion. This architectural marvel spans an impressive distance, creating a vital passage between Prince Edward Island and the mainland, intertwining the two with the gentle flow of water below. Stretching 11 kilometers long, the bridge showcases a striking blend of engineering skill and careful design, captivating all who gaze upon it. The day of its opening was filled with excitement and anticipation, as eager observers gathered to witness a long-awaited dream come to life after years of dedicated planning and meticulous construction. With its graceful arcs and robust framework, the bridge was designed to withstand the chilly embrace of sea ice that often blankets the strait during harsh winters. As the soft breeze danced upon the waves beneath the structure, the bridge stood resolute, signifying not only a feat of engineering, but also a new chapter of progress and possibility for everyone. The management of maintenance responsibilities for the bridge is entrusted to Strait Crossing Bridge Limited. This responsibility unfolds under a comprehensive contract that spans 35 years, ensuring a long-term commitment to the bridge's upkeep. With dedicated management, careful attention is paid to the various aspects that keep the structure safe and operational. The organization works diligently to address the unique challenges posed by the environment around the bridge, enabling it to endure seasonal changes and weather patterns. The significance of this contract reflects an understanding of the vital role the bridge plays in facilitating travel and transport. As the years progress under this contract, the expertise of Strait Crossing Bridge Limited continues to influence the bridge's reliability and resilience. Effective maintenance is crucial in supporting the bridge's structural integrity and in ensuring it serves its purpose for many years to come. At the Prince Edward Island end, the toll plaza stands quietly, inviting travelers to cross the bridge with a sense of anticipation. This toll plaza serves a practical purpose, as it collects fees for crossing, ensuring the maintenance of the impressive structure that links two shores. As vehicles approach, they come to a halt, and each driver reflects on the destination ahead while glancing at the horizon where the bridge gracefully arcs into the distance. The sun casts a warm glow on the plaza, illuminating the gently flowing traffic as people prepare to embrace the scenic views waiting beyond. While waiting at the toll plaza, one can listen to the soft sounds of the waves lapping at the shore nearby, creating a moment to pause and appreciate the beauty of the surrounding area. This point marks an important aspect of travel, where anticipation builds and each crossing unfolds new experiences waiting to be discovered. As the sun rose on the first day, a sense of excitement filled the air as more than 7,000 vehicles crossed the newly opened bridge. The smooth surface embraced each tire, creating a reassuring pathway between distant shores. Drivers marveled at the structure standing strong, facilitating passage where none had existed for so long. Each vehicle moving along the bridge produced a gentle rhythm against the backdrop of the expansive landscape, where the horizon met the sky's soft hues. The blend of metal and grace illustrated the careful planning that had gone into this monumental achievement. The bridge served not only as a passage for vehicles, but also as a magnificent sight that captivated curious eyes, drawing them to its elegant curves. The traffic on this memorable day marked a new chapter, with echoes of exploration mingling with the fresh ocean air, inviting all to experience the beauty of a path unbound by nature. The bridge stands as a marvel of engineering, meticulously monitored by a state-of-the-art surveillance and communication system that ensures its integrity and safety. This advanced system operates seamlessly, constantly observing every aspect of the bridge's structure, providing peace of mind to travelers who experience its grandeur. With cutting-edge technology in place, the surveillance system captures real-time data, allowing for immediate attention to any potential issues that may arise. The gentle hum of this sophisticated equipment becomes a reassuring presence, quietly working to maintain the bridge's stability and resilience against the elements. Each component of the communication system works diligently, relaying vital information to the engineering team responsible for its care. As day turns to night, the bridge remains vigilant, safeguarded by an array of sensors that catch even the slightest changes in conditions. This commitment to monitoring enhances the safety and tranquility of all who traverse its path. Annual maintenance involves a thorough inspection of expansion joints, where skilled technicians carefully examine every detail with focused attention. This detailed evaluation enables them to confirm that each joint operates optimally. Amidst the chilling embrace of winter, specialized teams engage in the vital task of snow removal and ice management on the bridge deck. These dedicated groups work tirelessly, ensuring that the bridge remains clear and safe for all travelers during the cold season. Each team member is equipped with specific tools designed for efficiency, combating the slick surface created by falling snow and ice. The sound of their machinery fills the air against the backdrop of the harsh winter as they navigate the bridge with precision and care. Snowflakes drift softly, settling gently upon the sturdy structure, yet the teams are committed to maintaining a secure path. Ice management is a meticulous process, requiring attention to detail and a profound understanding of the elements at play. Their efforts reflect a deep commitment to safety and accessibility, ensuring that this vital thoroughfare remains open throughout winter's challenges. Such operations demonstrate a remarkable dedication to maintaining functionality in the heart of winter. Access points on the bridge are thoughtfully designed to provide emergency response teams with swift incident management capabilities. These access points enable teams to respond efficiently to any situation that may arise, ensuring that help can reach individuals in a timely manner. The strategic placement of these points is essential for maintaining safety and security along the length of the bridge. This design consideration helps to reassure those traveling across, knowing that assistance is readily available if needed. As vehicles traverse the bridge, the presence of these access points serves as a reminder of the careful planning that prioritizes public safety. The ease of access for emergency responders bolsters the sense of reliability that the bridge offers. With every careful design element, the bridge stands ready to support those who may require aid in unforeseen circumstances. This foresight is a crucial aspect of the bridge's identity. Variable message signs along the bridge serve an important function in guiding drivers with care and clarity. These signs display crucial information about weather-related conditions, ensuring that all travelers are well informed as they navigate the expansive structure above. Each sign presents timely advisories, helping to influence driving behaviors and enhance safety measures. As the weather changes, these alerts become essential, offering heightened awareness for those crossing this significant feature of infrastructure. Drivers can easily glance at the illuminated messages to gauge the current situation, receiving vital updates that inform their choices on the road. The careful placement of these signs along the bridge integrates technology with the surrounding environment, creating a safer passage across this magnificent expanse. With every detail shown, drivers can feel a reassuring presence, aware of potential challenges that may lie ahead. Their informative function is a thoughtful reminder of the attention given to the safety of all who travel across the bridge. A bridge designed for a lifespan of 100 years brings a sense of assurance and stability to the landscape, offering a promise of durability that calms the mind. Its long-term operational viability invites gentle thoughts about the future, while precise engineering supports its steadfast presence. As people traverse its graceful curves, they can appreciate the thoughtful design infused into every aspect of its creation. Each component is carefully crafted to withstand the passage of time and varying weather conditions. The bridge remains strong against the elements, serving as a reliable link between distant shores. This dedication to longevity reflects a commitment to infrastructure that facilitates the movement of people and goods for generations. Individuals crossing this impressive structure can feel the solidness that comes from a well-planned architectural marvel, designed specifically to fulfill its purpose. With each moment spent on this bridge, one can embrace the reassurance of its remarkable design. The design of the Confederation Bridge features a unique curved alignment, which serves a specific purpose in its construction. This thoughtful design element aims to prevent sea ice from blocking the strait during the colder months, ensuring smooth passage for travelers. As the bridge elegantly arcs, it allows natural forces to influence the movement of ice and water, minimizing the risk of obstruction and enhancing safety. The careful consideration of how sea ice interacts with the bridge illustrates an engineering solution skillfully adapted to its environment. The curvature not only supports functionality, but also directs the ice away from critical areas where it might otherwise accumulate. This intentional design approach reflects a deep understanding of the conditions the bridge encounters, with every inch of its alignment demonstrating awareness of nature's dynamics. Thoughtful engineering showcases how built structures can successfully coexist with the elements in their surroundings, creating a reliable passage across the strait. Surrounded by the vastness of water, the Confederation Bridge stands proudly, its design captivating the attention of many. This remarkable structure has been highlighted in numerous travel documentaries that showcase its grandeur and significance. In promotional materials, the bridge is frequently depicted, enhancing its status as a Canadian icon that draws the eyes of both travelers and locals. As the sun sets, the bridge catches the golden hues, inviting admiration and reflection from those who gaze upon it. Its silhouette against the sky tells a story, making it not just a crossing but an experience that impacts visitors. Each angle reveals the elegance of its construction and the thought that went into its design. The Confederation Bridge, with its striking presence, offers a sense of wonder that lingers long after one departs from its shadow. This iconic structure holds a special place in the hearts of many Canadians.